Hello, I'm in a 2014 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to show you the USB and aux ports are. So from the middle here, we'll just go down, and you should see an aux port and a USB port right here. Under these covers, you just lift them right up and you'll see it. And then a power outlet right in the middle. And especially if you've got some kind of aftermarket radio installed, also worth checking in your glove box. Sometimes people run extra cords and things through there. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. Oh, and if for some reason these aren't working properly, you might want to first double check all your fuses. Sometimes those will go out, so if you replace that should fix any issues. Otherwise, it might be worth digging behind this plastic, make sure there's no loose connections or anything like that that might make the ports loose behind. Beyond that, I hope that's helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.